Come to Marshall's with me and Cotton. I'm gonna put on my bracelet. It's just gonna be a quick trip to see if they have something I want. I'm taking my bracelet off because it's too tight. I'm sick, but I still have the energy to go to Marshall's. Let's get my bag. Open the door. Looks depressing outside. It kind of always looks depressing here, doesn't it? Our time. Go in, Cotton. It's taken like 15 minutes for us to go. We're finally leaving. Cotton's wagging her tail. Lip gloss time. Beautiful sunset. We're almost there. We're at Marshall's.